Hey, it's H here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for Bitcoin. I'll cover wave analysis with the Elliott Wave theory and provide multiple scenarios a price may take and explain why I prefer one count over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities. Starting here on daily time frame and with this overall structure coming down from the 69k. So overall we have two different scenarios. One of them is saying that we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into an A wave, some kind of three-way structure into B, and then again 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 into C wave, completing the wave structures down here at 17.8k. This is one possibility. Second possibility is this one, in which we have an A, B, C, WXY into X, and then again WXY into wave Y. At the moment we've created A, B, and looking for that C wave for that wave Y to complete. This is still my main, although we have had some signs that we're going to get more bullish in the short time frame, at least in the short time frame, with other altcoins such as Ethereum. So we have to be keeping that in mind while taking a look at Bitcoin as well. So with that in mind, let's zoom into these charts and look at this A to B move, or the possibility of starting something new. So overall, this is still my main, that we have had this five-way structure in here as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into a three-way pullback of some sorts, and then looking for downwards. Again, there's multiple different possibilities, but this is still my main as we have not broken any structure here. But let's take a look at the possibility of this one, in which we have created the C wave down here and creating this bullish momentum upwards. In this one, we have created a wave 1 here, three-way pullback into an A wave, three waves into B, and then wave C as in 5 waves. Have I deleted some structures here? I think I have. Oh well, in any case, we had this structure. Let me hide this fixed range for now. In this one, in the C wave, we had this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, ending that C wave down here. Right around this order block that we had since the June 2022, or end of June. Since then, if we are looking at this as bullish, we can look this as an leading diagonal, as a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, contracting leading diagonal, which would end around these 21.2k highs. At that point, again, we have not had any breaker structures like in ETH. This overtook this area on ETH, which would have invalidated some of the bearish counts, but in Bitcoin we have only gone this much. Overall, this looks pretty nice still, even though this is mimicking more like a corrective structure, this contracting diagonal, as it is overlapping structures, is still a possibility that this is a wave 1. I am looking for higher, as we have pulled down here. My targets are here at the 618. If the wave count here suggests that, then I will definitely be looking into longing this area here. Fixed range profile, if we are just looking at this, what do we have? We have point of control right here at the golden pocket as well. What else do we have there? I think we had a naked point of control there as well. Yep, we did. And adding more confidence that this is indeed a good area to look for longs if the price gets there. It is not certain that the price is getting there, but if it does, then there is chance for a good reversal here. Again, as with discount, we are looking for this as a 1-2 scenario. It is possible that indeed, or 1-2, or 1-2, yeah. We could be hitting very high here. This would also fit the idea still that we have this as an A, B, and C wave. Again, if the C is going to go beyond the 1.61, we are going to be preferring the third wave instead. But again, overall higher time frame, we are looking at this, at least the 32 retracement of this higher time frame move to take out, or getting taken out. Also, as we mentioned, it is possible that this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but generally when the wave 2 or wave B is taking this amount of time compared to wave 1, it is more likely to be a B wave. But that is just a generalization. Of course, it is possible that this is a 3-way move down here into wave B, wave 2, and then we are just pumping up higher. But generally, more often than not, it is a B wave, just because of the time element here. But yeah, that is the bullish scenario. Let's take a look at the bearish one. In this one, we have still this idea of being at W, 3 ways into X and 3 ways into wave Y, getting almost to the 1-to-1 extension here, which is pretty good. That is what we are after all. So overall, again, as we see this 5-way move, it is an indication that it is an end or start of something, and in this case we would be starting it with a wave 1 here. I have this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and again wave 1. Then we had some kind of move up here. I can't label this as a leading diagonal anymore, as we are already getting to the golden pocket here. So instead, what we're doing here, as we are looking at more bearish option, we're looking at this as an ABC into W, 3-way pull back into X, and then again A, B, and C here. The C wave is not really that good looking, so it is possible that this is indeed some kind of WXY here, some kind of 3 ways in here, 3 ways here, and then 3 ways, which would probably make more sense. So let me fix that for now. Like so, something like this. What did we get here? To the wave Y, we did get to the extension of 0.618 of this lowest time frame sub-micro move, and we did get to the 1-to-1 extension of this WXY, saying that we are definitely looking for this to be finished here. What is supporting that as well is that we had this trend line basically breaking here after these highs were made, and now we are looking some other structure that is forming downwards. Again, we were expecting this to be a area of reversal, as we had that golden pocket, we had that order block here that we were expecting, and that did play out very well. Did we have something else here? We had naked point of control and session point of control on the upper hand of this golden pocket, but we did not reach that far, so we still have these at the moment up here. But yeah, definitely a good looking start for that short setup. Again, we have to be mindful of this scenario in which, again, we are looking at these structures over here. Definitely need to be setting alerts here somewhere closer if the price decides to just dump down and get towards this area. Of course, depending on how you view, I'm going to be playing both of these setups. Oh, I did already play this one, but I'm going to be playing this bullish one as well, taking profits on my short at least. And of course, as this wave structure develops here, we can take a look at what it looks and what it is more probable to be. Whether it is going to be looking like a 5-way structure here, or is it going to be a 3-way structure, something like this. But yeah, that will come in the future, and we'll see what happens. But that is, again, pretty much everything I wanted to cover. If you made it this far into the video, I would appreciate the likes. Link to my free Discord server in the description below. And for now, I thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.